So this is the Godori 136 puller. I don't have the right size head for those and they're quite expensive. But I do have is this set of BGS bearing pullers. So I'm just selecting the right parts from the kit, checking that they fit together, put the rest away and assemble it up onto the hub. And use a 32 spanner and a 41 socket to push the old bearing out. So next you need to clean out the seat of where the bearing is going into. Once that's done, take the bearing. The text on the bearing faces outward, so you can read it without taking the when you need to order a new one. Select the right size press from the press kit that we looked at earlier. You see it needs to sit on the outer edge of the bearing, not on the inside parts. Then work it back in with the socket and spanner, checking that you get it straight at the start, and then you need to get it so that it sits on that back edge of the hub. And finally install the lock ring. Job done.